Hey, what's up everybody? It's Melanie Thomas here, your Outside the Box Realtor, letting you know, reminding you in case you forgot that today is July 1st, which means today is the first day of the Hometown Heroes funding, which is now available again, $100 million available for first-time buyers. All you need to do is be a Florida resident and be employed by a Florida employer, have a 640 credit score, and you can potentially get up to 5% of the purchase price of your home for down payment. And if you are here in Orange County, where I am today, you can combine that program with the Orange County Down Payment Assistance Program and get even more money on top of that. So why am I telling you all this? Because on Saturday, July 13th, right here behind me at the YMCA, Orlando's newest beautiful YMCA facility here at the Leonard and Marjorie Center, I'm going to be holding a homebuyer workshop for you to come by, find out all the things that are available right now for first-time buyers in the realm of down payment assistance, talk to lenders, figure out if you are ready to make that move and get out of renting and become a home buyer. So again, Saturday, July 13th, join me right here, right on John Young and Princeton Street, and we'll go 11 a.m., have refreshments served, learn some good stuff, meet some good people, and find out if we can get you on the path to homeownership. So look forward to seeing you there. Register at the link below. Take care.